Oh my gosh, yo, look. Look at this. There's like a lightning show out there. Oh my gosh. It's like every 2 seconds. Come on. Oh. Dang. Like every 2 seconds, the lightning goes on. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to check. I'm gonna have to keep an eye on my radar. Oh, that was a close one. That was right over there. I can like hear the lightning too. Come on, focus. Can I even focus or what? Oh, there goes the light. Oh. Luckily, there are no noodles touching the ground, so that's good. Wow. This is nuts. Oh! That was right behind that tree. You can like hear the thunder too. Like, oh my gosh. Oh! I'm so sorry I didn't cut that, but. Alright, so. Oh, there was another one. I'm just gonna leave y'all like that. Oh my. Luckily, the worst of it has not hit us yet, but. Oh, I saw one over there to the right. Oh my gosh. Luckily, it's like all the way like west of us, so I think the worst of it's already past Denton by now. I'm sorry about the light in the driveway over there. Oh my gosh. This is nuts. Oh. This is like intense right now. Okay. I'm just gonna leave it just. There we go, just like that, guys. That's a perfect spot. I'll still be here, guys. Oh. You can like hear the crack of it too. Wow, guys. This is crazy. This is probably the best lightning show I've ever watched. Oh. That was like by Lake Louisville. Here comes another car. The light's gonna turn on again. Yep, told ya. Do you guys hear the crack? You can like hear the cracks of the thunder too. That's crazy. Luckily there's no wind right now, so that's good. I don't know about this, but I've heard lightning can cause rain. Oh, that was probably by like Louisville too. Come on. This is crazy. Oh my gosh. Oh. It's like striking every 2 seconds within like a 10-15 mile radius. Oh. Someone doesn't like that statement. Maybe God doesn't like that statement. Oh. Luckily it's all west of us, so that's good. Luckily it's not coming to us. We might get some severe weather too, but oh my gosh. Dude, I can feel the window vibrating, bro. That's how loud that thunder was. There's also a random cone in the road. There's only a cone in the road. It feels like I'm in a dream right now. I don't know why. Hold on, let's see if I can scoot the camera just a little bit. Okay. The heck is that? You guys see that purple light right there? Guys. What is that purple light? If you guys see the purple light on video, let me know. Oh. Oh. There's so many ooze right now. What the heck? There was a purple light over there that was shining on the camera or something. Okay, I don't know if I'll be able to set the camera back up because I like... Oh, another one. You guys see that purple light? That's so weird. Oh my gosh. Is it raining right now? my gosh. Like the lightning is striking everywhere too. Yeah, I think it's raining too. Yeah, it has to be raining right now. Oh, here comes the wind. The wind's starting to pick up. Wow, guys, this is a crazy lightning show. Oh, I think the lightning is at the back of the house now. Hold on, let me go check. All right, let's go take a look out the backyard. Hey, Harriet, how you doing? That's my dog. All right. There goes the wind. It's raining out right now. It's like a normal thunderstorm right now. See the tree blowing? Oh, the lightning's like up in the clouds. Look at my tree. It's like blowing just a little bit. Oh. Oh my gosh, the wind's picking up. It's starting to pour, guys. Oh no, my basketball. Oh, look at the rain. It's going sideways. Oh my goodness gracious. What even is this, bro? Is this a small derecho? The rain's going sideways. Whoa! Ah, the rain's blowing in my face. Look. I'm kind of shaking. I'm kind of scared. Oh. Oh my goodness. This is like 60-mile-an-hour wind. I know it doesn't look windy on camera, but it is super windy. Whoa! Oh my goodness! Rain's going sideways. Whoa! This is the scariest storm I've ever been in. This is the scariest severe storm I've ever been in. Holy cow. My